Queen Poetry on YouTube. This is Queen Poetry. Hello, kings and queens. Oh, nature is so beautiful. Look at the trees that makes us breathe and the air we sneeze. The birds are whistling when I walk this amazing trail. Wind is blowing when I'm going on alone. The way the dirt underneath my shoe. I'm viewing this crystal water and ducks are playing in the pond. The sun is glowing on my face. I'm having fun showing myself meditation, nature, educating brain cells, not being fearful, stressful, or worried. I keep moving, pushing, step on crushing fall leaves. Thank goodness for nature is so greater.
The bees, it brings us to life. That is appreciative, it really does.
Goal!
I put my feedback on the poem about nature. I like nature. It's so beautiful and it gets you vitamin C and everything. You walk, you just meditate that mind and growth, and it's just a stressful relief to just walk and just enjoy yourself on walking on the trail. So I think it's really a good thing to do, for everybody. That's just on my feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page. Bye. Have a nice day, kings and queens.